In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a project in Asana, a complete tutorial to make your project management a breeze. Let's begin by navigating to the left sidebar in Asana, where you'll want to click on the plus new project button. At this stage, Asana provides you with 3 different ways to start building your project. You can opt for a blank project if you prefer to build everything from scratch. If you like to work with pre-made setups, choose a template like a marketing calendar or a product launch plan, tailored to various needs. Lastly, if you're transitioning from another tool or diving into a spreadsheet, you can simply choose to import it from a CSV file. Once you've chosen your starting point, it's time to give your project a name, something that captures its purpose, like Website Redesign 2025. Following this, think about how you and your team like to view your tasks. Asana allows you to select your default view with options such as List for a structured task list, Board for a Kanban workflow, Calendar for scheduling, and Timeline for Gantt chart-style planning. Keep in mind, you can always switch between these views whenever you need a different perspective. Next, it's time to customize your project settings. Here, add a description to your project to ensure your teammates understand its purpose and objectives. Consider setting your privacy settings to either public, where your team can freely access it, or private, restricting access to only those selected. Add project members and assign roles based on their responsibilities. Now let's structure your project with sections to keep tasks organized. In List View, create sections such as To Do, In Progress, Review, and Completed. These sections serve as clear categories for tasks, making it easier to track progress. If you're using Board View, these sections will automatically become columns, providing a visual workflow similar to a Kanban board. With your project structure set, it's time to add tasks and subtasks. Each task represents a single piece of work. Ensure that you fill out key task fields. The title should state the clear action item. Descriptions need to provide details, links and resources, assign an owner, and set a due date. Subtasks are incredibly useful for breaking down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. To further enhance your project management, use custom fields to track additional information. You could create fields for priority levels, department assignments, or task statuses. This makes sorting, filtering, and reporting on your project effortless and efficient. Finally, streamline your workflow with automation rules. Set up automations like moving tasks to done when marked complete, auto-assigning them to a project manager when added to the project, or sending reminders when due dates approach. These automations keep the project running smoothly without the need for constant oversight. To visualize your project, make good use of the calendar view to check all due dates at a glance, the timeline view to spot any overlaps and dependencies effortlessly, and the dashboard view to track progress using charts and reports. These visualization tools allow you to stay on top of your project, ensuring everything runs like clockwork. And there you have it, your complete guide to creating and setting up a project in Asana. Happy organizing!